Hi guys, I'm Beth, and it's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm really excited. This here is Sav, Gorga doing something, and Lala in the background with, and I've said hi. Sorry, Sav.
Beth, we're not hyper anymore.
What about Ellie? I'm a hyper.
What about Ellie?
Ellie's just the shrunken Ellie bells. Yeah.
Who's Ellie?
Uh.
Oh, there's no one there. Figure of your imagination.
She's created like that though.
Who? What?
Sav. She's created.
What?
Sav, you totally blocking me.
Who's Sal?
Huge. Yeah.
Who's Sal? Who's talking?
Me!
Look what I've got.
Looking for
Oh,
fun.
look! And that's what, Beth, kiss it.
No.
Kiss it.
No.
Kiss it.
No.
When you finish.
Sorry, love. I don't want to kiss the pillow.
So that means you don't want to kiss the F-1?
I want to kiss his brother.
Lala's behind you. Where's my quick gone?
Oh, do you guys like embarrassing me or something?
Yes, thank.
No, he's just doing it from behind. That not. Philo doesn't taste nice.
I love my pillow.
You
Just love the person on it.
True.
That's a yes.
Okay. No, but seriously, his brother is just cute. Like,
I'm not sure I'd appreciate that.
It's even on my wall.
OMG, it's that brother.
Better F1.
Bah. I said that.
Oh,
Don't at me.
No! Alright,
Hang
okay.
on.
Children.
Mario.
No, pause that. Yeah. What can we talk about, people?
Beth, will you stop talking like
Ow!
I'm sorry.
That was brilliant.
Hi. Your face.
Out of your face is a picture. No, not really.
You just recoiled in fear and then realised.
Oh, try and figure this one out. OMG. Just don't say it because people need to figure it out.
Oh my. Answering it.
Ah. 4.
What is it?
She licked me!
It means I might do an F on YouTube.
What?
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
she licked my hand.
You asked for that. The one. Who are we looking for? The left one.
Yeah.
The one on. You see the one that says it. That one.
The
Thank you, Georgia. I still stare at Georgia.
No, you can't see that poster anyway. Kind of. That way.
It's that way, you idiot.
Yeah. You can't see that poster anyway. You still can't see that poster. Hi, Gaga. Hi, Gaga. What are you doing with my laptop?
Dog is labelled.
You can go on your MSN if you want. If you really want.
you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Like a lame ass way to say that.
I've been on Facebook for hours.
Feel free to go on
Shop horror.
Facebook.
No.
No.
She's not got Facebook. She needs to get one.
Do you think we should make Elliot a
Yeah, you should make
Facebook?
Ellie Facebook.
No.
You can't go on Facebook at
No.
someone else's house. You've got an house.
You got, well,
Yeah.
I'm not the only one that's got that. There's got a nose that's got that.
Guess what?
What you want?
I quite fancy one of the F-bombs.
What you want?
Really?
What's she on?
Music.
Oh, that's alright then. Don't go in my messages.
Why? What are you hiding?
Oh, babe. Now, me and Katie have just been having a walk. I think we should stop this. How do you stop it?
Yeah, it was a